Hello everyone, and this is the journal that I have made earlier this year in June, and I decided to write something in this journal or draw. So I am doing some September month entries. I hope you will like it. Okay, so for the beginning of the month, I always used to write some starting quote like hello March, hi September, something like that. So I decided I will do the same for this page, and I decided that for this month I will keep the theme to be autumn, because there's a game that I love to play, that is Township, and in that game the autumn festival has already started. I've never been to a country, or I have never seen autumn in real life, because in India we don't generally observe autumn or maple leaves or some orange trees, but I want to see that in my real life. So I'm just drawing something that I know related to autumn, like pumpkins and some maple leaves, and the colors like brown, green, orange, yellow, these colors I will incorporate. And I want to keep this first page very simple, because the journal that I want to make, or the memories that I am writing down, I don't want to make it too much complex. So if you are comfortable, you can write with pen, you can write with calligraphy pen. I am just writing with a brush, and I like to make a small calendar in front, so that I can always come back to the first page and see which days what I am going to do, what are my plans and everything. And I will just make this more vibrant by using some shading by pencil colors and a little bit of outline. I always love the combination of watercolor with ink. I think that it just gives a little bit of pop to it. And here my simple first page is ready. Now for the second page, I will just set a motto for this year, this month, because for the previous month I was quite anxious, and I was just too much of distressed, I can say. So for this month I want to be relaxed and calm, and I want to maintain the positivity in me. So this page will be dedicated to that goal, that I have to maintain positivity and I have to be happy. And so I am thinking that I will draw a girl with a happy smile. Somewhat she was relaxing. So I decided to draw just a girl with a large specs. But later on I decided that for creating that relaxed look, I don't want the specs, I just want the eyes to be closed, like she's listening to the bird chirping or the music, and she's enjoying the quietness of her life, something like that. And I'm just using pencil color because I don't want to make it too much complex, and I just want to make it simple. For that, this is a trick. If you want to make your color more bright, then you can use a little bit of water over your pencil colors, and it will make the color more bright. And now I will just paint the background so that it will look a little bit separate from the leafy background. And now for the third page, actually it was the second page, here I am just drawing an autumn tree, and this page I will just write the goals of this month that I have to do. Everybody has set some goals for 1 month, so that I have also set some goals. That is my to-do list. You can write anything that you want in your journal, just anything. My target for this month is just I have to maintain this autumn theme, and I have to maintain the positivity in me, and I hope I will do it fine. I hope you guys will also create your own journal. If you like my video, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.